Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to delete your partition. Let's say you have two partitions and the one that contains your system is almost full. So I'm going to show you how to delete this partition and add the space of this other partition. So maybe later on you can still recreate another partition but with a lesser space. So what you do is you first of all back up all your files found in the partition you want to delete. So these are my files here, and where I saved it or where I backed them up is here in my downloads. This is it here. So I've saved or back up the files here. So make sure you back up the files that are found in that partition you want to delete. So this is our partition. Let's just delete everything in the partition. Ctrl A to select and then delete. Make sure you have backed up all your files. I repeat, make sure you have backed up all your files because you're going to lose all of them. We have deleted all our files found in the partition we want to delete. So what you do next is you go to this PC, you right click, and then you go to manage. So where you're in manage, you go to disk management, or under storage. Under storage, you go to disk management. So you see the different partitions you have on your hard drive. So we have this drive C and we have this other one, this new volume. So what we want to do is we want to delete this other partition. This is the partition we want to delete. So what we're going to do is select it and right click and click on delete volume. So click on delete. It's going to give you a warning that if you want to delete this, everything will be erased. So since we've already backed up all our files, we're just going to click yes, and this partition has been deleted. But we have all this space. We have almost 443 gigabyte unallocated space. Okay, so we've deleted our partition. If you go back to our local disk C is still full. It's still full. So what we want to do is we want to take this partition which is unallocated and combine with this drive C, so our drive C will have enough space. So what we'll do next is we just right click and select extend volume. Select extend volume. So next, this is our partition. This is our unallocated space, which is this one. So we just select next, select finish. So now we have our drive C, which is now 931 gigabytes. So if you go back to our disk PC and refresh, we see that we have our drive C. Our local disk C, which has the system, is now currently back to blue. It's no more red. So that is how to delete a partition in your PC. See you in the next one.